Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ThredUp, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with ThredUp, start by visiting the ThredUp website. Look for the sign up button, typically found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You'll see the registration form appear on your screen. First, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets their security requirements. Make sure to confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. After filling out the email and password, click on the Create Account button. You might be prompted to check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email from ThredUp and look for the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once confirmed, return to the ThredUp website to log in. Use the email and password you just created to log in to your account. After logging in, you may need to complete your profile. Fill out any additional information required, such as your name and shipping address. When you finish, review all the information for accuracy before proceeding. Now you're ready to explore the ThredUp platform. Start by browsing through their various categories and items. Take advantage of their filters to find exactly what you need. You have successfully registered with ThredUp and can now begin shopping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.